Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the data validations and dynamic dropdowns in Google Sheets. So if you want to make your Google Sheets smarter and more interactive, in this video I'll show you how you can create a dynamic dropdowns and use data validations tricks to automate and organize like a pro. So data validations lets you control what users can type into a cell, like limiting choices to a drop-down menu. So it perfects for forms, task lists, or anything with repeatable options. So the basic drop-down menu setup, you can just select the cell or range. For example, I'm going to just go with this one right here, and you can just go to the data validation by going to data, and here you'll see the data validations. Now you can just add a rule, and in here you can choose the where it apply for. You can a list of items, or you can also go with a list of range. After that, you can just tap on done like this, and you've got a basic dropdown. And now let's level it up with dynamic options. So to create a dynamic dropdown, such as dependent dropdown, category and subcategory, let's say you have two lists like this: product and product categories and subcategories. So we'll use the indirect formula to link one dropdown to another based on the selection. So you can just name each range using data, and here name ranges. You can just add a range, and after that, in the subcategory drop down, this one, you can use like this, indirect, and use this one like this. If this one already have the name range, it will show up the subcategories. And there you go. Your Google Sheet is now interactive, dynamic, and error-proof. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks if you want more spreadsheet tutorials. Bye!